ኦኬ ሰላም this is Afro with ቹካ ሶ ይሄ አምና የሚኒስትሪ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ሚኒስትሪ ጥያቄዎችን አብረን ዛሬ እናያለን። ቤዚካሊ ምን በውስጡ ያካትቱ ናቸው? the first thing is reading passage one, grammar sessions, grammar, speaking, vocabulary, reading two, narrating. These six steps or six items are there on these questions. So I will give you the highlight of the questions. So the number one is it is all about the passage. the passage I think so ቀለል ያለ ፓሴጆች ናቸው። እነዚህ ፓሴጆችን እንያቸው። ኢቭን ይሄን ባናነብም ኢዝሊ ይሄንን በማየት መመለስ ይቻላል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ what does the sun gives ምንድነው ፉድ የሚሰጠው? ፕላንት the answer goes to the light because ፉድን የሚሰጠው ሳን አይደለም፣ ፕላንት የሚሰጠው ማለት ዳርክ አይደለም። so the answer goes to light ካላችሁ the best answer ማለት what does it can be when does it became day ሲሆን ምን ነው when there is no sun, when the sun even the sun give us light so keeps them warm and give us hot. My mother dry out the clothes, the place make the food with the help of sunlight. When the sunrise became day, sunrise. When the sunrise it became day. became ፀሐይ ሲወጣ ከፍለው ወይም ፀሐይ ሲወጣ ቀን ይሆናል ማለት። what happen if there is no sun? sun ሳይሆን ምን ይሆናል? if there is no sun it dark everywhere. there is darkness ማለት ነው። this is the best answer. okay, let's come to the grammar questions. The grammar questions you have to focus on here is that, for example, I will give you detail for it. We finish our final exam this week. We dash like when next month. Look, the keyword is next month. At this time, for example, the last time indicator, next month, next year, month, next time, something like this is something. if we can find this question in the last በሲኩዌንሻሊ መጨረሻ ፕላስ ዊል ወይም ሻል ሲደመር ቨርብ ዋን ነው። ስለዚህ ይህ ሲምፕል ፊቸር ነው። ሁሌ ሲምፕል ፊቸር ላይ ዊል ወርዷል ቨርብ ዋን ነው። ስለዚህ ያንተር ጎሱ ሂር ኢዝ the best answer ማለት ነው። በጣም ጥሩ ሞኔ ዳሽ to market every Sunday she likes. look, the keyword is every. this is the keywords key indicator of because it's every day. for example, every day, every sessions. so this is something habitual, something usual activity. if it is usual activity there is simple present tense. simple present tense always here is subject is monet, so singular, so we have to add s or is in the words in the given verbs. so where is the questions? here the best answer ማለት ጥያቄው አምስተኛው ጥያቄ ጎስ ካላችሁ the best answer because of what ኤስ ይገባል ማለት ነው። ይህን በመጠቀም እንመልሰው ማለት ነው። ሌላው ቦና is 1.6 meters, ጫልቱ is 1.5 meters. so ጫልቱ less than ጫልቱ ታንሳለች አይደለ? less than ወይም shorter than comparative ነው። shorter than ካላችሁ ልክ ነው because she less than ቦና good. number 7 I was born and raised in Harar. I dash speak Afan Romo, Afan Somali and Harar language. something future, simple future tense. Keen expressing ability. Would also past form of will, and also something it shows used for conditionals. conditional sentence we have to use them for conditions. Made is something less possibility. so here the question is not possibility, is something ability. so the ability indicated here can be the best answer. but I'm too nice. we dash our grade 6 comprehension exam now. look, እቺ ኪወርድ now, እቺ ቃላት now, right now, currently, recently, those are the indicator of subject plus be plus ing form. እነዚህ በመጡ ቁጥር ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስ መሆኑን ያሳያል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስ ሳብጀክት ፕላስ ቢ ፕላስ እቺ ቢ ሚንስ ኢዝ አለበት፣ አም አለበት፣ አር አለበት። ነጠላ ከሆነ ኢፍ ኢት ኢዝ ሲንጉላር ሂ ሺ ኢት ዊ ሃቭ ቱ ዩዝ ኢዝ ዲስ ጎስ ቱ አይ። ይሄ ደግሞ ብዙ ቁጥር ዘይ ዊ ዩ ጋር ይሄዳል። በዚህ ጊዜ የምንጠቀመው ስለዚህ እዚህ ላይ ምንድነው ዊ ነው። አብዛኛው ብዙ ቁጥር ነው። ብዙ ቁጥር አመልካች ወይ ፕሬዘንት ስለሆነ ቴኪንግ ካላችሁ the best answer። በጣም ናይስ ጉድ። number 9 we dash our hands before we eat meal. there may be many bacteria and germs on hand. look ይሄ wash our hands mustን something necessity ነው። something is a personal rules ሩሎች ለራሳችሁ መንገባ። ይሄ possibility of something else. this is also abilities as I mentioned for you there. will is something future. Here is not. Here is something personal rules. we wash our hand before we eat. ይሄ personal abilities ሩሎችን ለራሳችን መንገባው ከሆነ we have to use must እንላለን ማለት ነው። must ምንለው በጣም ጥሩ good. this is called dash last year. ኪቦርዳችሁት the last year እነዚህ ቃላት ያዙ። last year, last month, last week it is called indicator of simple past indicator. so if it is simple past tense we have to use subject plus verb to, or we have to use object plus object, subject plus verb to or ed plus object. so where is this is present, so we cannot present passive, past passive, we cannot use it. This is present, so this one is the best answer. good, nice. if you read more you dash more knowledge. look here is something condition sentence. ኮንዲሽናል ነው። ኮንዲሽን ሴንቴንስ ነው። ኮንዲሽን ሴንቴንስ ሆኖ ምን አይ ኮንዲሽን ነው? ይሄ ኮንዲሽኑ እውነት ነው ከበደንብ ካጠና something it is truth ትሩዝ ፋክትስ ነው። ስለዚህ እንደዚህ አይነት ፋክቶች ትሩዝ ከሆነ ሁሌ ሳብጀክት ፕላስ ቨርብ ዋን ፕላስ ኦብጀክት ጋናስ ዘ ሜን ክሎዝ ሳብጀክት ፕላስ ኤስ ኦ አይ ኤስ ይሆናል ማለት። ስለዚህ this is called zero conditions ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ if you read more you get this is the best answer because something truth or it tells other facts we have to use this one ማለት ነው። በጣም ጥሩ ኦኬ። ነምበር 12ኛ when she was in grade 5 she dashed to speak up Arabic and French. when she was እችቱ ያረፍተ ነገሯ ምንድነው? ማለት ያለፈ እያለች አረብኛ ፈረንጃ ታወራለች ነው። ስለዚህ ለተማር ነበር። ስለዚህ ምንድነው ያለፈ ነገሮች ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው። ይሄ ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው። ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ የሚያሳይ ይሄ ፕሬዘንት ነው። ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ፊውቸር ነው። ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ኦ ዘ አንሰር ኢዝ ዲስ ዋን ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። በጣም ጥሩ ናይስ ጉድ። 13ኛ አይ ዳሽ ለርኒንግ አማሪክ ላንጉጅ ሲንስ ሁሌ አረፍተ ነገሩ ከዚህ በፊት ሲንስና ፎር ሰርቻለሁ። ዩቲዩብ ላይ ቼክ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ሲንስ እና ፎር ስንጠቀም ሁሌ ሁለት ቴንሶች ይመጣሉ። ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት እና ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒየስ ይመጣሉ። ሁለት ነገሮች ይመጣል። ማናማ ሲንስና ፎር ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒየስ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት እና ሁለቱ ነው የሚመጣው። ከሁለቱ ግን አንድ ላይ ምርጫ ላይ አይመጡም። ስለዚህ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ማመልከቻ ማየት ነው። ይሄም ፎርሙላ እንደ ሃዝ ወይም ሃብ ሲደመር ቨርብ ስሪ ማለት ነው። ሳብጀክት ሃዝ እና ሃብ ፕላስ ቨርብ ስሪ። ስለዚህ ኢፍ ሳብጀክት ኢዝ ሳምቲንግ ሲንጉላር ከሆነ ሃዝ ነው፣ ሲንጉላር ከሆነ ሃብ ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ሰርድ ፐርሰን ሲንጉላር ነው። ስለዚህ ሃብ ሲደመር ቨርብ ስሪ ዲስ ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። በጣም ጉድ ናይስ። ነምበር 14 my family live in Adama but I live this week አንልም፣ on this end አንልም፣ ኦናን this is in the ነገሌ this is the best answer. good. let's come to the speaking session ላይ speaking session ላይ 15ኛው hi dad hi በሬስቶ I'm from ዶዶላ ዌስት አርሲ ዞን። I'm from ከየት መጣ ቢባል ነው I'm from የሚለው ነው። መላ ጉድ አፍተርኑን አንልም ወይ from ከየት ነው የመጣው this is the best answer. good. 16ኛ ሰኔ ነኝ ሊሳ hi happy new year ሊሳ hi happy new year too. good morning this is the best answer. ምንም ጥያቄ የለውም፣ ቀለል ያለ ነው። እሺ you and friend how can describe with the winters winteሮችን እንዴት describe you are describing or something mentioning something else ስለዚህ mention ስናደርግ እንዴት ነው የምንጠቀመው mention ስናደርግ I don't like winter እሺ so it's so cold and rainy you see I think you are winter season I think you like winter season no I go to vacation ያንንም so I don't like winter so it's not like just this like rather description so it is called the answer goes to be describing or it's mentioning something else about it so here is the best answer among other alternatives good አስራ ስምንተኛ ጥያቄ አስራ ስምንተኛ what is the cause for accident maybe driver he is a professional what happened why is an accident look what cause of the accident maybe driver he is professional no we can what happened we can say that why is accident maybe driver this is the best answer for this addressing you and a friend what's the meaning for healthy food healthy life friend means food is expensive it's not food is not important healthy is important life food healthy food gives healthy life this is the best answer among the alternatives በጣም ጥሩ 20 you friend I know Kanisa is famous he won many world medals so who is your hero no who is Kanisa no you know famous person I knew this is the best answer among the alternatives good what's your idea about our English exam idea I think it will be easy good I don't agree with you now I like no this is the best answer I think it's easy questions በጣም ጥሩ nice need money is better than knowledge logo I don't agree that is true I don't agree we can say you are correct I don't agree no you are wrong I don't agree I agree with you no we can that's true I don't agree money is better than knowledge that's true I don't agree no we cannot say that's true we cannot say you are correct I don't agree you are wrong I don't agree because this is something they are positive here is also positive this is something negative so because the response here is negative ስለሆነ በኔጌቲቭ ነው የምናየው ይሄ ሁለቱ ፖዚቲቭ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው እነዚህ መልሶቹ ኔጌቲቭ ስለሆነ ምን መልሰው በዚህ ነው ሌላ ሶስተኛው አራተኛው ወደ vocabulary questions indeed Oromo people came from different parts of Oromia and dash Irrecha festival at Hora Finfine on Sunday Saturday in the Hora Sadi on Sunday so ስለዚህ ምን ያደርጋሉ ነው ዳንስ አንልም ሴሌብሬት እንላለን ቪዚት አንልም ዋች አንልም ሴሌብሬት ማክበርን we get the best answer is celebrate which dash ski on September after rainy month has passed rainy month ከመጣ በኋላ ምንድነው ብራማ ደስ የሚል ነገር ማለት ስለዚህ ብላክ አናይም ክላውዲ አናይም ሬኒ አናይም something clear ካላችሁ the best answer ማለት the waste material from industry can cause river rain clean pollution ያደርጋል ማለት pollution ያደርጋል ይበክላል በጣም ጥሩ the traffic police report that 3 people have died because of the car this morning the car accident this is the best answer transport something we can other big small this is analog big small something big positive small negative harmful negative here is the positive questions useful harmful useful this is the best answer the other thing is not goes to little similar questions this is similar meaning of the apple trees in the garden have given a good harvest this year harvest something the apple trees in the garden have given a good harvest this year market money product the good harvest have good season the product too the apple garden has given a good products we get a product the farmer shears wool from sheep and use it to make blanket it cut this is the cut wash cover kamna cut mother breast milk is balanced feed to baby feed me drink water food is the best answer good the other things are at the reading comprehension question 2 so we don't read entirely by the way we're gonna see the questions and you can do it later። በቀላሉ ሁሉን ነገር አናነብም፣ ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄው መተን ከዛ እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። እንዴት እንሰራለን? ሉክ 20% ላይን 2 20% እችት 20% ላይን 2 ምንድን ነው? It's when the 50% of all the populations are continent make up 20% total land area planet Earth. These planets, Africa land area on the Earth, world population Africa, world land area on the Earth, largest continent. Africa is second largest continent. It contains 50% of world populations, and the continent makes up 20% of total land area on the land area. Oh, this is the best answer. The whole land area on the Earth is the 20%. What gives African warm tropical climate? African warm tropical climate. Here you can find it in such way. There are several bodies of the Indian. Okay, she's good. She center. What's the question? What gives Africa warm tropical? Okay, the equator. I think though here the equator. It says the equator. The equator pass through the center of Africa, which gives large warm and the equator. The best answer is the equator. Good. Which water body surrounding Africa to northeast? Northeast. The Mediterranean Sea to north and the Red Sea to northeast. Red Sea. Nice. Red Sea is northeast. Good. What is the paragraph is all about? River, continent Africa, Africa population, continent of Africa. Largest continents. Africa is home for Nile, Sahara, black people. This is Nile and Sahara, the best answer. Okay, the last sessions, I think, writing sessions. So, 36ኛ ይሄ ኮሬክት ሁሌ ይሄን ከመስራታችን በፊት ሁሌ ማሰብ ያለብን ሳብጀክት ይቀድማል፣ ቨርብ ይቀድማል፣ ኦብጀክት ይቀድማል፣ ከዛ ፕሌስ ሲደመር ታይም። ዲስ ኢዝ ሲኩዌንስ ኦፍ ሴንቴንስ ኮንስትራክሽን። ሶ ስለዚህ ሳብጀክት አለ። ዌር ኢዝ ጥያቄ ከሆነ ዊ ሃቭ ቱ ብሪንግ ዘ ደብሊው ኩዌስችን ፍሮም ከመጀመሪያ እናመጣለን። ደብሊው ኩዌስችን ይሄ እናቶ ደብሊው ኩዌስችን ዌር ኢዝ ሺ ኖ ዌር ኢዝ ሺ ፍሮም ዲስ ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። በጣም ጥሩ። ኦኬ ሶ ስለዚህ ሳብጀክት አለ። አይ ይህን እናጥፋ ሁለቱም ቢኮዝ ዜር ኢዝ ኖ ሳብጀክት። አይ ጎ ሳብጀክት ፕላስ ቨርብ። አይ ጎ ዜር ኢዝ ቱ አይ ጎ ቱ ቸርች ኦን ሰንዴይ። ዲስ ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። ጉድ ናይስ። ኦኬ ሶ ሆም አሁንም ሳብጀክት አለ። ቢኮዝ አንልም። ዊ ካን ሴይ ኢት ሬንስ አውትሳይድ ቢኮዝ ዊ ስቴይ። አሁንም ቢኮዝ ኢት ሬን ኖ ኢት ሬን አውትሳይድ ቢኮዝ ዊ ስቴይ። ዲስ ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። ጉድ። ሌላው መጨረሻው ጥያቄ 39ኛ ኮሬክትሊ የተጻፈውን ሁሌ ግን ስናየው ይሄ ሲኩዌንሻሊ አረፍተ ነገሮች ፍሰቶች ስናይ መጨረሻ ላይ እናያለን። ፋይናሊ ይላል። ፋይናሊ እቺ ፋይናሊ ማለት መጨረሻው ነው። ስለዚህ መቀመጥ ያለበት መጨረሻው ላይ ነው። ፋይናሊ የሚል አንድ ያለበት ይኸው። ዲስ ኢዝ ቤስት አንሰር። ሌላ የለም። ዲስ ኢዝ ቤስት አንሰር። ለምሳሌ ሁለተኛ መጀመሪያ our visit like the one she was so nice። ሶስተኛ first we visit like and surrounding። እሺ then we invite to the visit farmer finally። ስለዚህ the best answer is ይሄ ነው ማለት በቀላል የምታውቁበት which of the that now give with other to make paragraph የተለየ የትኛውም ከፓራግራፍ ወጣ ያለ ሀሳብ ያለው ከሁሉም። እሺ I see beautiful flower። እሺ I have 3 flower on my garden። እሺ ፍላወር አለ። እሺ ፍላወር ያወራል። እሺ every morning I water them። I love them so much። ይሄ something unique። አራተኛ something unique ነው። This is Afro። Please subscribe to more my channel. This is Afro. Please. Thank you very much indeed. See you. Bye.